Hello everyone, are you guys looking for an all-in-one fast charger that can charge your laptop, MacBook, cell phone, and many more? Well, I got you covered. This right here, baby. Alright, here we go.
This is a nice and compact 4-in-1 multi-port charger with two PD 3.0 USB-C port and two QC 3.0 USB-A ports. It delivers a maximum output of 65 watts or 3.25 amps. This USB-C cable is 47 inches long and it's super flexible. The exterior jacket is made out of soft rubber, and a really cool part, it has a LED real-time charging display.